Hi, welcome to Optimizing Bookshelves. I'm Deirdre, and today I'll show you how to efficiently optimize your bookshelves, keeping your budget in mind. Let's get started. Planning and budgeting. To begin, gather your cleaning supplies and decorative items while keeping your budget in check. This step helps us to prepare for an efficient bookshelf transformation without overspending. Decluttering and cleaning. Now let's declutter and clean. Remove items and decide what to keep, donate, or discard, focusing on decluttering principles while being mindful of your budget. As you clear, dust, and clean the shelves, remember that a clean base sets the stage for savings. Organizing and categorizing. Next, organize items by category and consider budget-friendly storage solutions like repurposed containers or DIY options. This makes finding things easier and cost-effective. But for me, I'll just keep it simple and use what I have. Space optimization. For efficient space usage, adjust shelf heights if possible. This not only optimizes space but also saves you from unnecessary spending on additional storage. Consider it a budget-friendly space makeover. Time-lapse transformation. Now let's speed things up and watch the budget-friendly transformation unfold. To keep things engaging without spending a cent, I've added some royalty-free music in the background. Enjoy! Aesthetic enhancement. To make your shelves visually appealing without breaking the bank, arrange items thoughtfully, use budget-friendly decor pieces, thrifted finds, or DIY art to create an inviting look. Ta-da! And there you have it. We've efficiently optimized our bookshelf for improved functionality and aesthetics, all while staying on budget. Remember, a little financial planning goes hand in hand with organization. Thank you for watching and learning how to optimize your bookshelves without overspending. If you found these budget-friendly tips helpful or have any questions, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more budget-friendly tips. Until next time, happy organizing!